Struggling to understand the driving forces behind St. Charles County's economic growth? Let's explore the top industries shaping the region's vibrant economy and how they thrive with the right IT support. St. Charles County has a diverse economy with key industries such as advanced manufacturing, financial services, healthcare and bioscience, information technology, and transportation and logistics. Advanced manufacturing stands as a cornerstone, employing high-tech production and advanced materials, ensuring significant employment opportunities and economic stability. The financial services sector, encompassing banking, investment, and insurance, is crucial for the area's economic health. Healthcare and bioscience are rapidly growing, with hospitals, clinics, and research facilities driving medical advancements and providing essential services. Information technology is prominent, with firms specializing in software development, cybersecurity, and data management, meeting the demands of modern business operations. Lastly, transportation and logistics benefit from St. Charles County's location and robust infrastructure, ensuring efficient movement of goods locally and internationally. OCCSI supports these industries with specialized managed IT services. For advanced manufacturing, we offer robust IT infrastructure and cybersecurity measures. Financial services benefit from secure IT solutions, compliant with financial regulations. Healthcare and bioscience receive HIPAA-compliant IT support, ensuring patient information is protected. Information technology firms optimize their operations with expert IT consulting, while transportation and logistics enjoy seamless network connectivity and data management. As businesses evolve, leveraging premier IT support from OCCSI can empower them to harness technology effectively in today's competitive market. Read the full article on our website to learn more about how we support these top industries. And don't forget to add this to your Spotify playlist for more insights.